Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel.
Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max.
Here's the new flagship from Xiaomi. Like it or not, it's a lot like the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's an improved version because the small screen on the back makes a big difference. I'll show you everything in this video. I know many will ask, Rodrigo, what about the price? Guys, I paid around 1,300 euros for this guy in China through my contact. Counting all the fees and shipping to receive it here, let's say about 1,500 euros. So, to have this 1 terabyte version of the device, that's roughly, just estimating and rounding, about 10,000 reais. That's approximately what I paid for this device. And before I do the unboxing and initial review with first impressions and show you the whole description of this device, you know the drill. Please like and support. It really helps. Check your subscription here on the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And of course, share this video with everyone to help support as well. Alright? Now guys, let's get to our unboxing with an initial review and first impressions of this new release, this beast, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Let's get to the video. Let's go. Beginning the unboxing. A plain white box with the model featured. Below is the Leica logo, at the bottom is Xiaomi HyperOS, and the side label shows the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and product version. Opening the box, we find a small box and a charging data cable. USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other end. A turbocharger with 100 watts of power supports wireless charging at 50 watts for continuous use. And right above we have the envelope, and inside it a manual ejector pin for quick start and a transparent acrylic case. Finally, at the very bottom is the smartphone itself. Now that the device is set up, it features a 6.9-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide active matrix organic light emitting diode display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, over 68 billion colors, high dynamic range 10 plus Dolby Vision, high dynamic range Vivid, and a peak brightness of 3,500 nits. And this display features a new security technology, which is Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass 3. Guys, it's very durable. You can hit it and it won't break. I would never do that test here, but the screen is really tough. On the back, there's also a 2.9-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide active matrix organic light emitting diode display. It's really beautiful, man. It also has a 120 Hz refresh rate Dolby Vision, high dynamic range Vivid, high dynamic range 10 plus, and a maximum brightness, check this out, of 3,500 nits on the rear display. Look how great this is. It grips well, and although it's a bit big, it doesn't interfere at all. It weighs 219 grams and is 8 millimeters thick. I think this white color is really beautiful. This module looks amazing too. It's really good looking. It definitely deserves a nice smack on the back. Not just a tap, a smack. It's really good looking. On the right are the volume and power buttons. The top is smooth, nothing is on the left, and there's a small tray at the bottom. Dual nano SIM card, 5G microphone, USB Type-C connection, and stereo sound output. Since it's the Chinese version, it includes Xiaomi Hyper Artificial Intelligence. I won't comment since it's mostly in English and Chinese, so you can't really use it. So you download Gemini and you'll be happy. You'll use everything with artificial intelligence. No problem at all. No difficulty on your device. Just remember that for basic artificial intelligence features like photo editing and so on, you can do everything directly on your smartphone without needing any extra apps. Let's talk about the battery. 7,500 mAh fantastic silicon carbon, performing really well. If you use your phone from moderate to even hardcore levels, man, you can use the device all day without needing to charge it. I'm serious, guys. The battery is really good. Now let's move on to the processor test. Snapdragon 8 Elite 5th generation, 3 nanometers, guys. 3,500,000 points on Antutu. It's something massive. It's absurd. Heating up to 43.8 degrees and losing only 5% of battery. Let's run some gameplay footage. Playing Call of Duty Mobile with max graphics. Transitions are smooth, no lag or issues. Everything runs very fluidly with subtle transitions. Asphalt Legends now runs very smoothly, even with the graphics. Everything runs great on max settings, no issues or stress, no further comment needed. This powerful processor ensures you won't need to worry about smartphone performance for a long time. You can relax, it will run the game, the emulator, whatever you want, without a doubt, no problem at all, with ease, go ahead, it runs everything very well. It has IP68 certification resisting depths of 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. You don't need to watch or show this test, it already has certification. It's an extra safety feature. It's an extra layer of protection that Xiaomi offers, so don't go using it carelessly, all right? It's just a layer of protection. So take care of your device. It's a beautiful and expensive device, so it's not worth throwing it in water. Be careful with that. Now, as for the operating system, we have HyperOS 3 running with Android 16 on the device. It also includes near-field communication for contactless payments. On-screen fingerprint unlocking works well, and facial unlocking is also fast.
There are 3 versions: 12GB RAM with 512GB, 16GB RAM with 512GB, and 16GB RAM with 1TB, which is the one I have.
It is dual nano SIM card, doesn't support memory expansion, and from what I could see, it also doesn't support eSIM connection, only physical SIM cards. Now let's go to its audio and video test. Come on guys, this is our audio test now for the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Let's go here to advanced 2160p. Let's select it, turn off auto brightness here, set it to maximum, and let's rotate the screen. And volume at maximum. Here we go for you guys.
Undisputed quality, okay guys, just fantastic images from this device. There's nothing else to say.
The audio is very good, very strong, very clear, crisp, and very powerful, very present. The screen is very bright with beautiful colors and no complaints. Both the screen and audio of this device are fantastic.
Let's discuss what matters.
Front cameras have 50 megapixels, recording in 4K at 60 FPS. Keep in mind that to enable high dynamic range for video, it will only run at 4K 30 FPS. It's already a big leap. Now here are some photos and videos from its front camera. Here we are guys, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max front camera, 4K at 60, but we're recording at 4K 30 because at 4K 30 I can enable high dynamic range for video. At 4K 60 it doesn't enable, okay? So we're here at 4K 30 with high dynamic range. Let's walk over here to the shade. Look, let's get out of the sun and see how it keeps the sky in the background. Let's see here. And we're already here, look, and it keeps it, huh? Look. We're already here in the shade. It keeps the whole sky. Look there, all right, very well structured, without losing quality, without blowing out the image, nothing. Very good, very good. I'll come back here to the sun again. Now we're already getting sun again and nothing has changed. Everything is still the same. Let me get a bigger shadow here so you can see that. In fact, look. It's very dark here, okay? Let me take off my glasses. It's a bit brighter now, but still very blue. Look. It gets a little darker here, but right where I am now, it's really dark. But the high dynamic range still works very well and looks great. Really good. So that's it, guys. Front camera at 4K 30 on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Guys, it's really awesome. Honestly, it really surprised me. I liked it a lot. I really did. This front camera is really good. Did you see the high dynamic range for video? It's beautiful, man. It turned out amazing. Really, really awesome. And what about its audio capture? Did you check out the microphone, man? The audio is clean, you know, subtle, very smooth, no noise, no external interference at all, man. Its audio capture is really good too. Comment here what you think. And now, on the back, we have 3 50 megapixel cameras. A main one with optical image stabilization, a second periscope telephoto with 5 times optical zoom, and also with optical image stabilization, and a third ultra wide. All of this records in 8K at 30 FPS. Now let's show photos and videos taken with the rear camera in partnership with Leica. That's important. Let's go. And now we're here at 4K 30 FPS. Okay, let's switch to the wide angle, 0.7, and let's move forward here. 2, 3, 5, 10, 15. 4K 30 15 times. The stabilization is insane, right? Check this, the quality too. 4K 30 FPS. Let's go back here to 1X. There, done. And walk a little. Let's check the focus. Very fast too. Awesome. Walking a little here, okay. Man, it feels like I'm using a gimbal, literally. It doesn't shake at all, 0. Very good, man, awesome. Rear camera, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. And let's go, guys, we're here with the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max at 8K 30 maximum resolution of the rear camera. We don't use the wide angle and have set the maximum zoom to 6x, okay? 8K 30 FPS apparently with great stabilization. Let's walk a little bit. I'm holding it just with my right hand here, walking. Very good stabilization, very good. We can already see the focus here too, the quick focus test, look. Very fast too. Awesome. And we're here now, guys. Rear camera of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. And I'm looking at myself here, filming myself directly with this rear line, using the rear cameras to make this video too, okay? So you can see the quality. I'm recording here in 4K at 30.
Let me walk a bit. I'm on top of the rocks here.
And get a close shot of the waterfall over there. Look. Very good, man, very good. And even with my glasses on, I can see everything that's on the screen. The smartphone is lying horizontally and I can see very well. I can see everything clearly. The screen brightness is really good, very strong. Even with the sun shining directly here, look, the sun is shining right in front of me and I can see everything just fine, no problem. Okay, so awesome, a real advantage here, very good. This little screen on the back of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, wonderful. And now guys, 8K 30, with the little screen looking at me, seeing me here through the rear screen with the smartphone in landscape mode and recording here, seeing myself here 100%. Even with the sun in front of me and wearing sunglasses, I can still see everything and myself clearly. Walking a little bit here. And look how wonderful this is, huh? Look how wonderful this is. At 8K 30 with stabilization, holding it just with my hand, unsupported without a stand or anything. And look, spinning it around for you here. Wonderful, rear camera. Filming myself. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. I want to see Apple do that. We're together, guys. Thanks, guys. I don't know what you thought, but I thought it was awesome. The cameras are amazing. It's over. Stop everything, man. The quality is insane. Really good. You can record with the rear screen, take photos, videos in 8K, 4K, portrait photos, regular photos, wide angle, apply zoom. Man, I'm speechless. This, for me, is the big difference of this device. And the cameras are really good. So you get a top camera to take photos of yourself, videos of yourself. So that's really good. That's amazing. I'm speechless. This is literally a dream. Xiaomi did a great job. Now let's talk about the positive points of this device. In my opinion, processor, battery charging, screen, stereo sound, IP68 cameras, and especially the little rear screen. And as for negative points, what I see here is only its price. Even though it's pricey, it's still less expensive than an iPhone 17 Pro Max. And for me, it delivers much more than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But I want your opinion. Do you agree with me? Does it really deliver more? Leave a comment below. I want to know your thoughts. If you like the device, like the video, is it worth it or not? Is the device top or not? Is there anything you think could be improved on the device? Leave a comment below. Your opinion matters. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to hit that like button. It's really important. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and share this video to help it reach more people. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hugs. See you next time. I'm out.